Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Montevideo, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Enjoy the convenience of being picked up from your hotel in Montevideo. Embark on a scenic drive along the coast towards Canelon, traversing enchanting landscapes featuring mountain ranges, pines, and eucalyptus. Embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Ciudad Vieja with our expert photographer, where we delve into its rich history and iconic landmarks. As a dedicated companion, I am honored to accompany you through these captivating corners, capturing each moment with precision and emotion. Embark on a 2.5-hour cultural exploration of Montevideo Ciudad Vieja. Delve into the rich colonial history of this charming old town, as your knowledgeable guide highlights the intricacies of its neoclassical facade. Montevideo offers an opportunity for foreign visitors to navigate unfamiliar territory with ease. By opting for a personalized, tailored tour conducted exclusively for one or more individuals, travelers can unlock the mysteries surrounding this vibrant metropolis. Embark on a meticulously planned excursion to explore Montevideo, our chauffeured service picking you up directly from central hotels. Upon arrival, you will traverse a range of captivating sights including iconic tourist attractions, such as the City Gate, Solis Theatre, and the Legislative Palace. Begin your exploration at the main entrance of the structure situated before Independence Square, located at the heart of the city. Proceed along the exterior of the building, engaging with its historical narratives as you journey through various levels. The tour commences at an initial view of the city, offering ample opportunity for exploration. Montevideo presents an extensive array of offerings that make it challenging to encompass within a single day. However, this itinerary aims to provide comprehensive insights into the city's core areas and significant landmarks.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.